Behind me is a 1981 Peterbilt 359, and it is the middle of winter, and I want to see if this piece of junk will start. This thing is completely buried in a snowbank and it hasn't run in several months. The first thing I'm gonna have to do is lug 2 big heavy truck batteries through this massive snowbank. Well, there's one. Put in the comment section down below if you think that this 3406B and this 81 Peterbilt is just gonna start right up after it hasn't been run for at least 4 months. It would probably be a wise idea to open up the hood and make sure Twinkle Toes didn't make any nests in anything that they weren't supposed to. When stuff sits like this for months and months, who knows what kind of company you're gonna get moving in. And that's all we need is for a little Twinkle Toes buddy to get sucked right into the turblet. Look at this beautiful 3406B. Looking good in this truck. I really got much room to get around this thing now that the hood's open. This snowbank is like 6 feet tall. I don't think this truck's going anywhere after a 10-minute hike. Oil looks good. I really don't see much Twinkle Toes activity actually. Pop the radiator cap here, make sure we got a little bit of radiation. Oh yeah. She's full of radiation. All right, good. I guess we are ready to see if she'll fire up. Well, let's see if the old girl's gonna start. Wow! Man, oh man! There she goes! Woo-hoo! Wow! Man, I had to get out of that cab. Wow! Look at this. Talk about pollution. How dare you! I knew the old girl would fire up. I mean, it's practically a new engine. Why wouldn't it? Just listen to this kitty cat purr. Man. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Check our oil pressure and stuff. Make sure everything looks good. Got about 65 pounds or so of oil pressure. Good. Building there, that's a good sign. All right. Well, we'll just let this little girl idle for a while and warm up a little bit. Let you guys enjoy the music. Well, boys and girls, the old 359's been running for about an hour now. Yet we completely destroyed it because we left it here idling, but that's okay. Everything will be fine. Just sit back, hold on to your armchairs. It's all good, promise me. You ain't got nothing to worry about. I just love the sound of those gears in the front of this motor making that slight whine. You can always tell a cat. One sweet truck right here. She's got the Corvette dash. Now that she's running, we're gonna take a minute and go through this thing. Show you what we got. It's all warmed up now and we're only down to, we only dropped just a couple psi of oil pressure. That's not too bad. We took the parking brake off. That way the brakes can release. Let's try to roll this truck back a little bit. Yeah, brakes are stuck a little bit, aren't they? That's what we get for letting her sit too long. That's all right though. We ain't going nowheres anyway. I mean, this thing is literally snowed right in. That snowbank up there is just about as tall as a truck. Gotta climb over Mount Everest here to get to anything. What a nice looking old Pete. Did a lot of work on this truck. If anybody is curious about any of the work that I did on this truck, because I built this truck, make sure you go back a couple years in High Voltage Diesel's channel and you'll see us put the motor in and all that fun garbage. Just a nice looking deal. I think we gotta roll some more coal in this thing before we shut it off. Yeah, boys, what'd you think of that live action right there? I bet you that really pissed off the neighbors. It probably pissed off those neighbors over there. Hopefully it did. Train horns and Jake brakes trigger people. Well, I tried breaking her free. But there's a couple things that it might be. It's either the wheels themselves are froze right into the ground, because this thing has been here for a long time. And in central New York right here, it has been a cold winter. You could see right there how much snow is up in here like that. Or there's a chance that the brakes are stuck on, but I don't think that's the case because I can physically see. I could see that the brakes are off. I think what it is the wheels are frozen to ground. And I'm sure I could go cowboy crazy on this thing and break it free, but why? Where's it gonna go anyway? So what's the point of trying to break it free and end up blowing a pinion gear into the orbit of Mars? There, now she looks all pretty again with the hood closed. I do wish this was an extended hood, but that's okay. Once the hoods start to slope in the trucks, that's when it's time to get out of trucking. This is one of the last of the cool Peterbilts right here. One more model, 359 and then the 379, and then after that they all got stupid. Even the 389 is junk. They started to get ugly, the 389s with the stupid mirrors that bolt to the cab, and then the mirror sticks all the way out to here. And even them got stupid with the dumb headlights, and then the nose cone on the front started to slope. You know what? The 379 was the last of the cool Peterbilts. One thing that I wish this had that the 379 had was the big back window, but that's all right. Couple more love taps. Yeah. Good. That's a problem with owning so many vehicles. You gotta start them up all the time and let them run. Worst thing to do for any of these trucks or cars or anything that you got is just let them sit and sit and sit. All the seals dry up and everything, all that kind of garbage. You gotta start them all the time. And we gotta start and make cool videos too. I mean, hello. Thanks for watching this episode of Garbage Day on High Voltage Diesel.
End of transmission.